I had somebody ask me about the canopy on this, and I know when I bought the tractor, I was looking around trying to find, this is the L2501, and that is the factory Kubota canopy, factory option. And the guy was asking about the headroom, and I mean, I'm like 5'10", 5'9", and my head, I have probably an inch between the top of my head and the canopy right now, standing flat-footed on the platform. So there's a good amount of room, and then the brackets, the way that it mounts, you can see it mounts up above. There's probably, I don't know, three inches maybe between the top of the roll bar, the ROPS, and the bottom of the canopy. So yeah, you can sort of see it a little better over here. The bracket holds it up above the top of the canopy. And it says firefiberglass.com. I know when I ordered the tractor, it took like an extra week for me to get it because the first canopy that they ordered was broken. So they had to order me another canopy. But it is, like, I selected the factory Kubota canopy, and these lights were put on at the dealership also. But yeah, you can see the bracket has like a 1 inch by 1 inch piece of square that comes all the way, almost all the way out to the front of it on both sides. And hopefully the camera's picking up. There is a good gap between the top of the ROPS and the bottom of the canopy. And also, like I said, I'm standing flat-footed. And there's some room between the top of my hat and the bottom of the canopy. So hopefully that answers any questions that anybody might have, and it's fiberglass. There is two options if you're going to order one of these tractors. One of them is for the standard canopy, and one of them is for the deluxe, and this is the deluxe canopy. So that's about all. And again, bone dry, not a spot of moisture on the ceiling anywhere since I put those vents in everywhere. So that's about all. Hope everyone has a good one. Peace.